Okay guys, I am so excited. I got my package in the mail. Okay, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. Just a thank you from a message, a thank you message from the company. It comes in like a bag, which is super cool. Okay, which I love the people already, so okay. It comes in another bag. So with this, it comes with a band and a security comb. Ooh, a wig cap. So now the big reveal. Let's look at the hair. Wow. Wow. Now I got the 10 inches. This hair actually looks, wow, it feels really soft. And it smells really good. Wow, look at this. Ooh, I'm super juiced. Wow. And there's lace in the back. So I could definitely do a high bun. Let me show you the back inside of it. Here's the inside. I'm super excited. And the outside. Look at the cap, guys. Wait, where is it? Here we go. Look at that. But I'm gonna try because I'm super juiced. So what we're gonna do is just take this thing off. Don't judge, y'all. Do not judge. Okay? And put this one on. But the tag's still on it. But I like the way the hairline looks. It's already pre-plucked, so I don't really have to pluck it. I like the way it looks. This is super nice. Very soft hair. I can't stop putting my fingers through this. It is so soft. Wow. Yeah, I definitely need a longer hair. Oh, this is so pretty. This hair is so soft. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how I style it and get everything on my head. Yes. Okay, so here we go. You guys see? So I could part this and just put water in it and style it and go. Now, let's see, look at this. This is amazing. This hair feels very soft, guys. Super soft. I love it. I'm enjoying this hair. Yeah, I don't know how I style this, but this looks really nice. I'm so happy. They said I'm supposed to get a 13-point part, which I love because look how far I could part my hair without any tracks. So I could part it however I want. I love it. Guys, I have it glued onto my hair, as y'all can see. I am loving it. So now I'm going to spray it so y'all can see how beautiful it is when it's wet. Look at this. Look at the definition in the hair. Okay guys, so like I said, I love this hair. This hair is bomb.com. It looks like my hair. It looks really good. I really love this hair. So I gave it a thumbs up. You guys check the link down below to see the discount code and check this website out. Let me know what you think about this hair on me, and get you one. So this is definitely the look. So I am gonna rock this. Y'all gonna see some photos and videos of me rocking this hair. And yes, I can straighten it. I don't think I'm gonna straighten it now, but if y'all want to see a full tutorial on how I, you know, do this hair, style it and stuff, let me know. But as of right now, I am sold, y'all. Neflon wigs, you guys are the truth. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the thumbs up button and share with your friends and family. Leave a comment. I want to hear your comments and know what you guys are thinking about my videos, hey, about this hair. And see you later. Much love, guys. Bye.